Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 after 4 months of use. Is it still worth checking out in 2024? First of all, talking about the design. It has held up really well. I like this new rectangular design. This is something similar to what we will also see on the upcoming Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. Design of this band is really good for workouts and for sleep tracking. Because it's lightweight, aluminum body feels like you have no band or watch on your wrist. Plus, this strap is also a lot comfortable. I don't like this new strap lock mechanism because it's always hard to find new straps from the market. That's why I'm still using the old stock straps that came inside the box. Band has held up really well. There are no visible scratches and scuff marks, but this varies from person to person. I used no screen protector or paper on my Galaxy Fit 3, and the display feels like brand new. One thing I don't like about this design is this small chin at the bottom that's not visible when you are using a black watch face. But when you are using a brighter face, this is definitely noticeable. I think for future Galaxy Fit smart bands, this chin will also be gone. Now talking about workouts and day-to-day running. It has auto workout detection, and it works exactly like the one on Galaxy smartwatch. When auto workout is there, it records your heart rate and blood oxygen continuously in the background. And the accuracy of these sensors isn't bad. They are just few points off from a medical pulse oximeter. The heart rate sensor is a lot better than Galaxy Watch sticks. That's because Samsung is using light sensor with this smart band, but Galaxy Watch 6 uses an infrared sensor that is not fast and has a little less accuracy. You can also use continuous heart rate monitoring, but that will use a bit more battery life. Sleep tracking is also good with this smart band, like it records deep sleep and heart rate, as well as blood oxygen levels. Talking about battery life. With continuous heart rate setting turned on and always on display mode turned off, I get about 4 to 5 days of battery life from my Galaxy Fit 3, but when I turn on always on display mode, battery is around 2 to 3 days. That is still really good for this price of just $59. If you are interested in this smart band, I have few deals that you can check out from the link down in description. Since it's a smart band, we have limited features like no temperature sensor, no ECG, and you cannot install new watch faces or apps from Play Store. Talking about the cons. For this price tag, I'm really happy how this performs, but if I had to mention few things, then they are. The display has a chin that makes it feel like a Chinese strap when you are using a bright watch face. Then the charging is via 2-pin magnetic connector that I hope was wireless, as it still takes around an hour to charge even with these magnetic pins. Galaxy Fit 3 right now is available for $59, and I think it does 60 to 70% job of a Galaxy Watch. This is one perfect smart band, at least for 2024, that you can buy for this price. If you have a Galaxy Fit 3, drop your thoughts down in the comments section. I'll be interested to check them out, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.